I 3D printed my small benchy boats with a 0.15mm nozzle, challenging but does work, and can be unclogged with these needles if needed. But for the tiniest ones, I used a 0.1mm nozzle. It's so tiny, I wonder if it would clog. Yep, it's clogged, and my cleaning needles are not thin enough. But I had foreseen this and got a second nozzle, which I used to print these micro benches. And before I could film anything, I used my precious nozzle to dig a channel through my build plate, converting it from a 0.1 to a 0.0mm nozzle. But not to worry, more unsuspecting nozzles are already on their way. So tell me, what's your smallest 3D print?